Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Thursday, 31st March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT is 227.52 and with VAT is 238.90. For 22 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 208.86 and with VAT is 219.30. For 21 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 199.08 and with VAT is 209.03. For 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 170.64 and with VAT is 179.17. 14 carats gold without VAT price is 133.10 and with VAT is 139.76. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 94.88 and with VAT is 99.62. 6 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 56.88 and with VAT is 59.72. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. If you have any comments or remarks, please let us know. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.